Marhaba ya jama'a, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to learn about shapes in Levantine Arabic. You can get the corresponding vocab sheet in the Shami speaker store. Let's begin. The general rule for shapes is the masculine form is the geometric shape name and the feminine form is used as an adjective to describe another noun. However, in spoken Levantine Arabic, there are some exceptions. Number 1. Some shape words are inherently feminine. 2. Some shapes don't have a natural feminine version. And 3. In spoken Levantine Arabic, people often skip agreement and may just keep the masculine form. Shape, شكل, شكل. This word is inherently masculine. Circle, دائرة, دائرة. This word is inherently feminine and it's the standard word used for circle. Now the colloquial word for circle is دوارة, دوارة. It's also feminine. Square. The masculine form is used to describe the geometric shape and it's مربع, مربع. The feminine form is the adjective and it's مربعة, مربعة. Rectangle. The masculine form is مستطيل, مستطيل. The feminine form is مستطيلة, مستطيلة. Triangle. The masculine form is مثلث, مثلث. The feminine form is مثلثة, مثلثة. Oval. The masculine form is بيضاوي, بيضاوي. The feminine form is بيضاوية, بيضاوية. This comes from the root word بيض, which means egg. Star. The masculine form is نجم, نجم. The feminine form is نجمة, نجمة. In spoken Levantine, the feminine form نجمة is normally used for the shape. The masculine exists but is less common. Heart, قلب, قلب. This is always masculine for the shape. The feminine form is not used. Crescent. The masculine form is hilal, hilal. This is also always masculine for the shape. The feminine form is not used. Diamond. The masculine form is معين, معين. The masculine form is used for both the geometric shape and the adjective. Pentagon. The masculine version is مخمس, مخمس. The feminine version is مخمسة, مخمسة. And this comes for the word for 5, which is خمسة. Hexagon. The masculine form is مسدسة, مسدسة. The feminine is مسدسة, مسدسة. And this comes from the word for 6, which is ستة. Octagon. The masculine form is مثمن, مثمن. The feminine is مثمنة, مثمنة. In standard Arabic, the word for 8 is ثمانية. Cube. The masculine form is مكعب, مكعب. The feminine is مكعبة, مكعبة. Sphere. The feminine version is كرة, كرة. It's an inherently feminine noun and it's used for the word sphere or ball. Cylinder. The feminine version is أسطوانة, أسطوانة. It's inherently feminine and it's used for the geometric shape. That's all for today. Get your corresponding vocab sheet in the Shami speaker store and I'll see you in the next video. مع السلامة. Do you want a science-backed method to learn Levantine Arabic or any new language? Then use my link to get a 7-day free trial of Pimsleur, the app and website that gets you speaking naturally through real-life conversation practice without having to study or memorize. You can learn on the go in just 30 minutes a day. Using my link, you can get a 7-day free trial and start learning Levantine Arabic, or as I call it on Pimsleur, Eastern Arabic. I'll have the link here and in the description box. They also offer MSA and Egyptian Arabic.